Hello friends, Free Career YouTube channel is here, and today we're gonna be discussing the first step in investing for those who are just starting their path. The first step what we're trying to take is to create an emergency fund, which means setting aside a sum of money worth of 3 to 6 months of your monthly income and expenses. Why is it important? Because life is complex and full of hard stuff. This emergency fund is our safety net. It's necessary to overcome difficulties that may suddenly arise, such as losing your job, getting sick suddenly. It can affect your financial situation. In these situations, sometimes you will need money really urgently, and this is what the emergency fund is. The second reason why the emergency fund is so important is that you become more open to new opportunities. Please write in the comments if you have already created an emergency fund. Describe how you felt then and how you created it. How much easier did your life become? I believe you can't deny that it's much easier to live when you have a financial cushion. You literally feel it physically. It is much easier to make decisions and participate in new investment opportunities. But it only can happen when you understand that you have reserves to enter the new opportunities. Most people don't have those reserves, and they just simply can't enter, can't invest, and they can't develop their financial control. That's why creating a financial cushion is the first step. The second step is to pay off bad debts, of course, if you have them. If you took out loans for example, clothing, car maintaining, or whatever, the first step is to pay them off, which again will be a pretty significant step, reaching your financial control and financial stability. The next step is creating a financial plan, which means creating the plan of your spendings and your expenses. Some useful information regarding this topic could be found in our previous YouTube video. What is a personal financial plan? Financial plan, in other words, what goals you want to achieve and how much money you need to spend to achieve those goals. Typically, there are several major financial goals: owning your apartment or a house, a vacation home, a car, and a passive income to maintain your life. You simply just need to write down these goals in terms of money and also outline how much you can achieve by saving a certain amount of money for each goal. The fourth step is to start investing. And the first thing to do is to start investing in the most conservative and safest instruments, such as bonds and bond funds. This could also include real estate, which is one of the oldest, the safest instruments out there. Naturally, you will need some time to understand all of those instruments, but the chances of losing on it are significantly low if you invest for a long term. And also you can earn decent returns. A large profit of 10 to 15% a year is pretty achievable and it's pretty easy even for the beginner. If you dedicate more time to it, you can understand different nuances and make even more profit. So we covered 4 simple steps that may take you maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months. Maybe for some people it could take even several years. Okay, so let's make a recap. The first step is to create an emergency fund or a financial cushion. The second step is to pay off bad debts. Why create an emergency fund first? Because if you pay off bad debts first and start creating a financial cushion after, you might appear in pretty difficult situation. It's better to get aside some amount of money for yourself, for emergency fund, and still monthly be paying your bills or your debts. The first step is to create a financial plan. And the fourth step is to start investing in the most conservative, practical, and easy instruments. Please write in the comments if you wish to see where our team and how we invest money. Also write how many of the steps you have already taken and how it has helped you to become more financially stable or free. It was a free career YouTube channel. See you in the next video.